Hi, I'm Grandma Jana and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make easy microwave cheddar green beans. Half a cup of almond milk. We're going to use a non-dairy soy cheese. This is a half a cup of vegan soy cheese that I'm going to add to the milk. We are going to melt the cheese into the almond milk in the microwave. I'm stirring the cheese into the almond milk to have it completely dissolve. Next, we're going to add a can of green beans to the cheese mixture. We're going to return the dish to the microwave to warm the beans through. I'm going to add some seasoned salt to taste. This is our easy microwave cheddar green beans. Thank you for joining us.